speech on World Unity Day. We may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we are here to celebrate World Unity Day, a day that reminds us of the power of togetherness. Unity means standing together, helping each other, supporting each other, and respecting each other. Even though we are different in many ways, we share something very important. We are all human beings. We all feel happiness, pain, and hope. These feelings connect us as one family. When people are united, they can achieve great things. Look at nature, birds fly together, fish swim together, and even ants work together. Why? Because unity makes us stronger. But today, the world is full of problems war, hatred, and discrimination. People fight over religion, culture, and nationality. But what do we gain from fighting? Nothing. Instead, we should choose love, peace, and unity because together we can make the world better. On this special day, let us take a pledge to respect every person, to spread peace, not hate, to help each other, to stay united always. Let us prove that humanity is above everything. Let us build a world where people live with love, not fear. Alone we are weak, together we are unstoppable. Unity is our strength, peace is our goal. Thank you.